Welcome to our video on the latest advancements in generative AI models. We'll explore how these models are transforming product management and user experiences, focusing on the top contenders, GPT-4 Turbo, Claude 3 Opus, and Google Gemini 1.5 Pro. Generative AI is reshaping the role of product managers, with tools like ChatGPT enhancing user experiences. As AI becomes integral, product managers are expected to incorporate personalized experiences and effective recommender systems into their strategies. In 2024, competitive language models from Google and Anthropic have emerged, challenging ChatGPT's dominance. These models offer unique capabilities, prompting a comparison of the latest AI titans, GPT-4 Turbo, Claude 3 Opus, and Google Gemini 1.5 Pro. GPT-4 Turbo, the latest from OpenAI, offers significant improvements over its predecessors. With a larger context window and multimodal capabilities, it provides cost-effective solutions for complex problem-solving, accessible via the ChatGPT Plus plan. Claude 3 Opus, developed by Anthropic, excels in multilingual and multimodal tasks. It's designed for enterprise applications, offering superior intelligence and efficiency for tasks like data analysis and document summarization, thanks to its extensive context window. Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro is a multimodal model that excels in handling long context tasks. With its mixture of experts architecture, it efficiently processes diverse data types, making it ideal for immersive user experiences and complex code handling. Benchmarking these AI models reveals their strengths in various tasks. GPT-4 Turbo leads in code generation and reasoning, while Claude 3 Opus and Gemini 1.5 Pro offer competitive performance in specific areas, highlighting their unique capabilities. Choosing the right AI model depends on your use case. GPT-4 Turbo is ideal for content creation and customer support, Claude 3 Opus for enterprise workflows, and Gemini 1.5 Pro for multimodal applications and immersive experiences. Understanding the architecture of these models helps in aligning them with product needs. GPT-4 Turbo's transformer-based design, Claude 3 Opus's versatile approach, and Gemini 1.5 Pro's mixture of experts architecture each offer distinct advantages. Cost and accessibility are crucial factors. GPT-4 Turbo offers affordable pricing and wide accessibility, while Claude 3 Opus and Gemini 1.5 Pro provide competitive pricing through their respective platforms, catering to different budget needs. Integrating these AI models into your product strategy can enhance customer engagement. Whether it's through custom GPTs, enterprise solutions, or multimodal experiences, each model offers unique benefits to elevate your product offerings. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of generative AI models. We hope this guide helps you make informed decisions in leveraging AI for your product management needs. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of AI technology.